Hello. Africa is not just a growing market. It is becoming one of the world's most strategic and important markets in the world. Today, I want to give you a quick snapshot of what is happening across the African business landscape. From consumer goods to logistics, agriculture, fintech, manufacturing, and beauty products, Africa is undergoing a rapid transformation, more than the figures even speak, because the reality on ground is very, very different. First, population growth is driving demand. By 2050, Africa will represent a quarter of the global population. That means more consumers, more businesses, and more opportunities to those who install, to those who take the advantages of today. Let's talk about digital transformation. African mobile payment, e-commerce, supply chain tools, and logistic technologies are shaping how Africans buy and sell. And let me shock you, more and more Africans are adopting digitalization. Digitalization is fast becoming Africa's reality. Let's talk about the African Continental Free Trade Area, which is sometimes not much talked about, but which is a reality. In Africa today, doing business from one country to another is fast becoming a reality and simplified, because countries and nations are eager to see development not only touch their countries but extend to their neighbors. It is very easy, for example, today for you to move freely in East Africa, for you to move freely in West Africa, and Central Africa is moving fast to adapting to the economic realities of movement. The same thing with goods. It is now something to take advantage of, and it is open for everyone who understands the African business landscape. For international companies, for entrepreneurs, for lovers and business adventurers, this is a time to walk in Africa. This is a time to knock the doors of Africa. This is the time to take advantage of Africa. For those who want to come new, the doors are open. For all those who are already in Africa, doors are open. For those who are already doing business in different African countries, this is the time to scale up. This is the time to take your business to a different level, because Africa is calling you. Africa is waiting for you. In all this, I must tell you one truth. Yes, local insight is very important. And that is why at Mansa Musa Consulting, we are there to assist you, to make you have greater impact whenever you want to do business in Africa. See you as you contact us anytime.